How to delete your Cash App account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to install Cash App in your device. You can easily install using your Play Store or App Store. Enter your credential to log in into your Cash App account. In your Cash App, you need to navigate to your user icon. This is present in your right-hand corner at the top. From here, click on the option of Support from all of the list of options. You will find the Support option at the last of the list. So go ahead and select on it. It will then list out all of the account settings. From here, select on Close my Cash App account. So go ahead and tap on it. Before you close your account, you have to make sure that all of the balance that is in your Cash App is removed or cashed out. If some of the funds are pending, make sure to cash out, otherwise once you close your account, you will not be able to recover that cash. Once you have made sure of it, just tap on the Confirm button. Then you'll be able to delete your Cash App account permanently. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.